Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have the Apple A16 iPad. So this is actually the newest one, the 2025 one, but I got it from Cash Generators for £260, which is quite a good price. It's quite less than they are new, but these haven't been out that long, so it can't have been used that much. So it's the 128GB Wi-Fi model. Didn't need the cellular as I wouldn't put a SIM card in it anyway. Yeah, so it's the 2025 one. So we're only in May 2026, so they're not that old. But yeah, let's get into it. So here is the iPad. It's a bit difficult to get out the box, obviously it hasn't got any of the original packaging. But if we do that, see, we didn't get no plug. I don't know if these originally came with a plug or not, but I did get the lead. But I didn't need a plug anyway, so it's not really a problem. But as you can see, it is in really good condition. Not a single scratch on the screen, so I'll definitely be getting a screen protector for this. And nothing on the back. It's got a little mark here, but that's literally just come off anyway. So yeah, look, it's all perfect. I quite like the yellow. I think it looks quite nice. So it's already on, as I had a look at it in the shop. So let's get it set up. I'll have it default. Yeah, I'll do that. So it's done that from my phone, but it's trying to get the backup from my other iPad, which I don't want, as I'd sooner just start from fresh. So customize, won't transfer anything. And then it should just set up as fresh, but because I did it with my phone, I have my iCloud and all passwords saved on it. Yeah, we'll do that. So obviously it's a 2025 iPad, which ended up being in basically brand new condition. So I went and had a look at the battery health. 5 cycle counts, and that's after me. When I first looked at this, it had 400%. So someone's bought this, used it a few times, and then put it back in the box and taken it to cash converters, generators, I think this one was. So yeah, I thought that was really odd. I'm going to turn on the 80% limit. That's how I have my phone set up, just to keep the battery health a bit. But because I'm a bit more bothered about this than I am my phone, because the phone has Apple Care, and unfortunately this isn't quite new enough for me to still be able to get Apple Care on it. But manufacture date September 2025, first use November. We're now in May. Well, near the end of May. We're nearly in June. That's not a very long time. So yeah, I've been using it. It's got, because it's my old iPad was on iOS 17. You could do that with the apps, and it does actually handle it quite well. Honestly, the money I paid for this iPad it's worth it all day, especially with it being basically brand new, because these were over 300 quid brand new, and I basically got one. The only difference was really that I didn't get the things, and I didn't get to unbox it properly. I did get the cable, don't actually know where that's gone, but I won't be bothered about that anyway. The plug would have been nice, but I don't know if these ones actually came with the plug or not, because with the iPads, they give you a 20-watt plug. Yeah, I've got here a case and screen protector for it. So I've got here a case and a screen protector for it. So the case was about £11, and I wanted a yellow one, and this is like a flip case, but the reason I bought this specific one is because it's like a normal flip case type of thing, but that magnet's off, so you can use the iPad without it and then magnet it back on. So it doesn't really match because of the colour of the iPad. I didn't realise this was that sort of material. I thought it'd be a bit, I don't know, like a regular clear case, but let's get it on. So the case doesn't really fit properly. It won't go fully around it. So I had a look back on Amazon, and it turns out, oh no, I've bought one for an iPad Air. Now this is fully my fault, to be fair, because I didn't read it. But I typed in iPad A16 case on Amazon, found this, and obviously it looks pretty much the same. But either way, you can see the idea. So obviously I have that, so I can use like iPad as iPad, like that. And then I can clip it on to this. And then I have like, you know, a regular stand sort of thing. Get it like that. and then stand it up. But this was going to annoy me anyway. So yeah, this case will be getting returned. I'll have to find a different one. But the only one I can find that's exactly the same as this on Amazon is £25. So the closest thing I can get without spending that much money is this one. But the one thing that is £15, the one thing I don't like is the Apple Pencil holder. Because I don't have an Apple Pencil, so all it is just added space onto the iPad. But yeah, I might have a look, because at least I've got something. Obviously, I can return this. And then find something maybe somewhere else, see if anywhere else doesn't. I did get the right screen protectors though, luckily. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys come back for the next one.